New video. I'm not going to be doing too much of this sound deadening because people have seen it before, but this is how I've done it. So you've seen that side of the floor before. I've done this side now. I've put stuff in the back of there. I've done the back seat. That seat's done. Now that battery died on me then, so down in there all deadening's done on inside the car now. That's enough. But what I wanted to show, I know somebody's you probably know all this before anyway, so I love that, because obviously the other year I did that sound deadening. So I'm going to do some on here now and see if it makes a difference. And I'm also doing the back of there. It looks quite cool, doesn't it? So I just got offcuts. There's not really a lot I can put in there, but it's amazing what a difference it makes. So I've made it look the same all the way across, and then obviously in there I've still got the boot to do, and then that's the back bit. Makes it sound so much better than that. I mean, who puts a door skin on and don't put any sound deadening in? That's had a door skin as well. That needs some sound deadening in when I do door skin. So that's pretty much it for the inside of the car. I've just got a little bit of sealing down in this bottom corner. I'm just going to do that now and job's done. Right, bit of an update. So I've masked the whole car out so that you cannot, so that no dirt can get in it, because I'm sick of cleaning inside of it out. So all the windows are done, all doors are done, back window, down that side, all doors are on. Roof's clean, sunroof's masked up. Be interesting doing that when I come to paint it. On how I'm going to do it, I've not really thought about it yet. So what I've got to do, light's a bit rubbish, see if I've got a torch. So I've got to revisit this area because it's been that long. It's been that long, there's bits of rust coming up on it now, because like I told you before, it was on the water we're getting in there. So I've got to re-weld that boot floor up, and I need to get some epoxy on it, and I need to get some sealer on it as soon as possible, get it all sealed in, because it's just getting a bit rusty. And also I've got to drill a hole for I've got to check whether my fog light goes on there. I've got to find it as well, because I'm not at the back end. Oh, and I dropped something on that there and it's dented it, so I have to repair that. So originally it had all this chrome all over it, so it had chrome on the door frames, it had chrome, horrible chrome, I didn't like it, and it had Mark III lights in it. I'm going to put it back to original, and it also had a reverse light and a fog light in the middle, but they weren't the same as what were originally on it, so I've got an original one on it for it, and I'm going to put that back on it. So what I'm just going to start doing now, there's no dirt can get in the car. I've packed all inside there up, where the gaps are in the quarter panel to the back of the seat, and I'm going to start prepping in this. Once I've got all this primed up and sealed, I'm going to do the door skins. With this rusting again, I need to sort this out before I can do door skins, because the door skins, I'm not really bothered. That I'll do those when we're ready. So this is what I want to do, is to get this finish ready to paint, because as soon as this is ready to paint, door skins are done, I need to turn it over and do the underneath and get it finished, because underneath there's little bits of rust coming through again, because of this concrete floor. Probably needs to be on, needs a sheeting underneath it and some carpet, stop that moisture from coming up underneath the car. Alright, so today I'm gonna put some sound deadening in it, cover all that. I did a circle like that, put a bit down here, a bit across there, and a bit down there. Right, so sealed all the way down there, sealed where the welding was. Obviously a little quartz panel down there, sealed across there. So to me, it's not standard. I know it's not standard, I know it's not original, but that in here, I know I don't sit in the boot, but the noise will come through, you know, miles better on the quarter panels, you know. Even on there, I haven't even got any on there, and it's better already. So that is ready. I've just got 2 door skins and then I'm on paint prep. So I have to, I haven't got any tools to do door skins, so I have to borrow them. But I'm liking that. Hopefully I won't get slated too much for putting sound deadening everywhere. Also, if you can see down in there, you see the holes. So when when it's all dried, this I'm going to get a, you know, like an ear thing that you stick in your ear and clean your ear, like a little cotton bud. So can you see all the layers there? They need sealing up as well. So inside those holes there, because when the water gets up into the, you see my finger there, so when water gets up in there, that's where they start rusting. So you've got to make sure you get some sealer inside there, otherwise when the water gets up, that's why they rust in those corners. I don't know whether you can see this on camera, I'm sure you probably can, but earlier on in video I told you I dropped something fell on it. So I said I was going to fill it up, but before I do, it's quite an indentation, so I'm going to tap it out a little bit. Right, I'm bringing this video to a close now, because I've finished inside the boot. The boot's ready for paint. I've masked it up, stopped dirt going in, because it's all ready. Inside the car is all ready for paint. Inside the engine bay is ready for paint. I've got to prep the underneath, but it shouldn't take too long. Get it prepped up and sealed. I've put some of this on just where the gaps are to stop, because I haven't got any sealer on it yet, to stop any dirt and grinding gunk getting in there. I've got another weld there that I forgot. This all needs grinding off, but I'm on the door skins on the next video, so the door skins are starting off this next video. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do. I've probably told you before, but I'll tell you exactly what I'm going to be doing to it. So I'm not doing this one first, I'm doing the driver's side first. So you know about all these holes. So the previous person or the person before that put some plastic chrome trims on them. If it's not metal chrome, I don't like it, so I've took them off. I've just got to tap all those out, weld them up, because there's quite a few. There's like, in that area alone, there's 4. There's just one there, there's just one there, there's 4 there, 1. So I just want to get them welded up, and then obviously I've got to clean up the back of that door, take the door skin off. I don't have anything to take skins off, so I need to buy some sort of grinding thing to take them off. I know how to take them off. Obviously you grind the edges off, take the skin off, peel off the rest of it. I think there's some welds around here. At some point there's one there. So that's what I've got to do. I've dated the door as well. So that was from the 12th of May 1992. I like that. I've not seen the other side. And when I do it, inside of this door, the inside of it, I'm going to epoxy and black it on the outside. Well, sorry, on the inside of the door there. I'm going to do the same. I'm going to be epoxying it, putting some sound deadening on it, and blacking it. I've never done a door skin before, so this should be interesting. And then once I've done, I just can't believe that's happened as well. So that was rubbing on that door, and for some reason it's not doing it anymore. So this is what I've bought for the underneath of the car. It's specifically designed to go underneath Raptor. So I'm going to put that on, and then obviously the Raptor goes on top of it. I don't know whether a litres enough. We'll just have to see. What I'll do it in sections. That's what I'll have to do. I'll have to do everything in sections, because it's like Keith Miller was saying the other day, that he's only got 55 litres. I've only got 100, and I don't know how much it's going to, how much air I'm going to have, because it's always needing to fill up. And also, that snapped on it the other day, so they go on the side, and the filters, I've gone through 4 of these, because the plastic, when you screw the plastic into there, they just keep snapping. So I bought some metal ones. Hopefully they won't snap. So going back to the paint, so it's not a 1-pack product. So this is a 2-pack product. So there's your litre tin. I don't know whether a litre's going to be enough. And there's your hardener. And the hardener's the exact same as the Raptor. So there we go. I don't know what mix it is. Obviously the mixer's on there. I don't know what sort of gun you need to spray it, but I'll have it at work. So that's my plan. Get the door skins done. Get both door skins done. Get them finished. Finish the bonnet off. The bonnet needs to go back a bit so that the grille can go in line. Turn the car over. Prep the underneath. Seal it all up. Get some Raptor on it. And then get the liner. And it's going to be British Racing Green. And I'm going to paint the whole underneath. And leave it at that. I'm just using the Raptor and stopping there, because that stuff is like concrete. That is the best protection it'll ever have. I don't need to put base and clear on it, because base and, if a stone hits clear, it'll just chip off. Clear's so soft, and a stone chip will hit it and gone. Whereas if it hits that Raptor, it won't do anything. If you've ever watched Car SOS and watched Tim shoot a air rifle at Raptor, if you haven't, I suggest you go and watch it, because that stuff doesn't damage with an air rifle shot at it. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Next time you see me, I'll be doing the door skins.